Ronnie Doyle, president of Doyle Equipment Manufacturing, Palmar, Missouri. We are at the 2022 Magie Show. What a show. Tons of great people. We brought all of our sales staff in from all over the United States and Canada, and it's been great to have everybody in here all at one time. This year, as always, we did bring our whole family line, blending, conveying, spreading, and tinning equipment, but our main focus this year is automated blending. Automated blending with our Autobatch and our declining weight systems are expanding our company by unbelievable amounts. We are currently adding 80,000 square foot to our main building in Palmar, Missouri for more manufacturing, and we are focused in automation. Like I said, always, Magie's a great show. If you've never been to the Magie Show in August, look it up, come and compare all the equipment here. It is a great show to attend. We'll see you next year.